Juicing doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you're just starting out. So we're just going to keep it simple with these 2 ingredient juice recipe. And you're only going to need pineapples and apples. Apples contain powerful antioxidants which support heart health. They also contain vitamin C for skin health and immunity boosting. Pineapples support digestion. They also contain vitamin C, which also helps to boost your immunity. The vitamin C in pineapples also help with collagen formation, which is very important for skin health. And if you're just starting out in your juicing journey, but you're not sure of the ingredients or the fruits to combine, please check out the link in my description box to download my free 3 ingredient juice recipes for beginners. In there, you will find juice recipes that are very easy and simple to follow. They are also very beginner friendly, so that's where you don't get overwhelmed in your juicing journey.